Today, I'm making this episode to highlight a few common issues that Ferrari 458 owners should take note of. Since the Ferrari 458 is already more than a decade old, certain components naturally start to age and deteriorate. One of the most common problems we see is the main cold air intake hose. Over time, the rubber material becomes brittle and can literally break into pieces. When this happens, it affects both performance and reliability. The engine is designed to draw fresh cold air from outside the car through this hose. But once the hose becomes brittle or broken, the engine will start sucking hot air from the engine bay rather than fresh air from the outside. Hot air contains less oxygen compared to cold air, which reduces combustion efficiency and causes a noticeable drop in engine performance. Even worse, when the hose becomes brittle, small broken pieces may break off and potentially be sucked into the intake system and enter the engine. Which can lead to a serious damage. So if you own a Ferrari 458, it is important to inspect this hose regularly. You can always bring your car to us for a free inspection. Next, we move on to the braking system. Many Ferrari models use a special designed brake cooling system. Cold air is channeled directly to the braking system through dedicated cooling hoses. Unfortunately, these hoses are also exposed to heat, weather, and aging. Over time, they can crack, break, or completely fall apart. Once the cooling hoses are damaged, the braking system will no longer receive proper airflow for cooling. Without sufficient cooling, brake temperature can rise very quickly and lead to brake fade. On a high-performance car like the Ferrari 458, this can be dangerous because the car may not stop as effectively as it should. These small but important components are often overlooked, but replacing them in time can help restore engine performance, maintain braking efficiency, and improve overall safety. Another common issue we often see on the Ferrari 458 is the LCD display on the speedometer cluster. Over time, the display tends to fade and in some cases can even go completely black. This affects the driver's visibility while driving, and in the worst case, you may not even be able to see or read the fuel level. We also often see the gear position indicator LCD become melted or damaged. This small LCD display is actually quite difficult to source for replacement. Luckily here at Eurotuner, we are able to provide the LCD replacement parts, including the main infotainment LCD display. So the interior display system can be restored back to a proper working condition. Thank you for watching. Follow us to see more supercars upgrade and repair.